Revelations about the NSA's surveillance programs shocked the world. From mass data collection to the collaboration with the FBI and CIA, whistleblowers exposed a vast system of covert operations. But how did it work, and what are the consequences? After the tragic events of 9/11, national security became the United States government's top priority. The devastating attacks led to a significant shift in policy and public perception, emphasizing the need for enhanced security measures to prevent future threats. Programs like PRISM and X-Keyscore, run by the NSA, were designed to collect and analyze vast amounts of data to track potential threats. These initiatives aim to create a comprehensive surveillance network capable of monitoring communications and identifying suspicious activities. These programs intercepted phone calls, emails, and internet activity on an unprecedented scale, allowing intelligence agencies to gather critical information. The scope of surveillance expanded rapidly, encompassing both domestic and international communications. With the FBI and CIA collaborating to identify domestic and foreign threats, the integration of various intelligence efforts became crucial. This collaboration aimed to enhance the effectiveness of counterterrorism operations and ensure national security. In 2013, NSA contractor Edward Snowden leaked thousands of classified documents, revealing the vast scope of government surveillance programs that had been kept secret from the public. His actions sparked a global debate about privacy, security, and the role of government in the digital age. Programs like PRISM involved tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, raising serious concerns about privacy and oversight. These companies were compelled to provide user data to the government, often without the user's knowledge or consent, leading to widespread outrage and calls for greater transparency. Whistleblowers like Thomas Drake and Snowden exposed how the FBI and CIA accessed NSA data for counterterrorism operations, but their revelations also highlighted the lack of accountability and the potential for abuse within these powerful agencies. They showed how innocent people were caught in the dragnet, their personal information swept up in the name of national security. This led to a renewed push for reforms to protect individual privacy rights and to ensure that surveillance practices are subject to proper oversight. The revelations sparked outrage worldwide, igniting a firestorm of protests and debates across the globe. While supporters argued these programs were critical for national security, emphasizing the need to protect citizens from potential threats, critics warned of the erosion of privacy and civil liberties, highlighting the dangers of unchecked government power and surveillance. Today, the debate over surveillance continues, with new technologies constantly emerging and reshaping the landscape. While reforms have been made, such as the USA Freedom Act, which aimed to curb some of the most controversial practices, the balance between security and privacy remains a contentious issue in the age of digital technology, as society grapples with the implications of living in an increasingly connected world. The NSA's surveillance programs revealed the complexities of balancing security with privacy. What do you think? How far should governments go to keep us safe? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories of power, secrecy, and accountability.